And my sister, we're gonna be doing the hot Cheeto challenge.
It's not even working. Oh yes, it is. Okay, let me put the camera right. What's your phone on?
100%.
Mine is too. Okay. So we have two cameras. And we have two bags of chips.
Those
So
are Cheetos.
I haven't set up the camera, my other camera yet. So just give me 1 minute moment.
So here's my Cheeto, and here's my sister's Cheeto.
Hi guys, so we're going to be doing the hot Cheeto challenge. We have two cameras, my brother's camera and my camera. It kind of looks like the lime flavors, but it's just the regular flavors. Because you can see the kind of a lime color, but it's yellow, but this is the regular, okay? So we don't have nothing to drink. Let's go get something to drink.
So we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys. We're back. We got our drinks.
Okay, guys. We're back. We got our drinks.
So now what we're gonna do?
Should we go get the checkers board so we can put them on? Because this floor is like a little cottony, so
we'll be right back.
We're back.
We got our checkers board so we can put our drinks on it. So now let's get started.
Probably scoot yours over a little bit because they want to see mine.
It's a smelling test.
Oh, let me go get some hot sauce because if I put hot sauce in it, it'll be so good.
Okay, guys. So my sister's gonna go get more hot sauce for her hot flaming Cheetos.
Okay, guys. So I got the hot sauce.
But not for me because I'm not gonna get any because it's already hot enough.
I'm gonna just put like a little dab. So yeah.
Oh dang, sissy!
It's okay. Doesn't really matter. Stop.
That was not a dab.
Well, so. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be cleaning my camera real quick.
Okay, guys, Malachi, smell it. It smells good. You want to smell it?
How is your camera so good, but mine is not? Is it like that?
So here's my drink. I'm gonna spill it on my camera.
I'll be right back.
And we also have a dang it, sissy! It's almost oval.
Doesn't matter.